What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Random Box Unbox channel. If you are new to this channel, we unbox and review mostly tech and gadgets, anything that comes across our way. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot to me. Now today, we're going to unbox the CoolerMaster MP750XL mousepad. Without further ado, this is your boy Sky, and let's get in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so let's go ahead and unbox this, and then we're going ahead and place it on the keyboard, see how it looks. Alright, so nice big package here. Oh, that didn't sound right, but you know what I meant. So let's open this up. And if you are interested in purchasing anything that I post on this channel, all the links will always be down below in the description. So let's see what we have in here. All right. All right, so here we have it. So this is the mouse pad. And guys, keep in mind, this is a very large mouse pad. This will cover your keyboard and your mouse as well. So it actually goes underneath your keyboard. Well, let's put this up on the keyboard and see how it looks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so what you have inside the box is just this cable, which is a micro USB. Let me just focus so you can see it. So it's a micro USB and a USB, which this part here will plug into this little hub here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there you have it. This is the CoolerMaster 750XL. Now I did plug it in here into this hub. I wish it was to the right hand side. So it's just this micro USB, and it went directly into my USB hub. And as you can see, it's actually pretty large. So the dimensions on this are actually 37 inches wide by 14.9 inches depth. So this is about 15 inches and the width is about 36 inches. Now, one of the reasons that I purchased this was because of the non-slip rubberized grip. So this is actually great for me. Let me see how the mouse feels. Mouse feels great. I'm loving it so far. Now, another reason I purchased this is I am always dropping liquid onto my table or my desktop. So this is supposed to have a water resistant coat. So that's like a water repellent. So, you know, I'm gonna put that to the test. So let's pour some water here. See how that goes. All right. Oh, so it's actually not sinking in. So that is, I'm impressed. The water is actually moving. This is so weird. All right, well, there you guys have it. And then of course, the last reason I purchased this was the RGB. That makes your computer faster. So you can actually download the software for this. I will do that shortly. And then you can just change the RGB settings. This goes around the entire mouse pad. And it's not so thick, it's 3 millimeters thick, so I can definitely live with this. Hey guys, this is just to show you how the mouse pad looks with the lights off. It's actually pretty cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you enjoyed that review of the Corsair mouse pad. If you like it, I believe right now it's actually on sale on Amazon for $42. I paid around $65 for it. So far I like it. The water didn't seep through, so let's see how it goes with time. Thank you all so much for being here. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.